welcome back to my channel, Making Natural Hair and Wig City, where we do hair tricks and tips. And today I am going to be welcoming everyone to my channel and also give you a few things I intend doing here. I realized I should have done this a long time ago, but I haven't, and I already have a few videos up already. And today I'm going to be giving you 3 things I intend doing here. And the number one is I'm going to be putting out content on our natural hair, how we can grow our type A, 4A hair, 4B hair, and 4C type of hair to our desired length. I've made a lot of research on this, and currently I'm on my relaxed hair and I'm working towards transitioning back to natural. So if you are having your own hair trouble, maybe your relaxed hair is no longer appealing to you, like mine is no longer appealing to me, though it's still okay. Or if you're having trouble growing your natural hair, then I think you should consider subscribing to this channel, because contents for such are going to be a regular. Thing we're going to be doing on this channel is DIYs, how we can make hair extensions, hair oil, conditioners, stuff that can help reduce our much spending on our hair. That's the second thing we're going to be doing. I know I promised 3, but this 2 is going to be on for now. All right, I'm having a challenge on myself. I'm doing my transitioning, and this is 2 months on, or is it 1 month? It's 2 months. And in 6 months time I intend having a big chop, and I hope you all can be a witness to this, because I know a lot of us think those YouTubers who have long hair and others, you think those kind of hair are not achievable, but here in this channel you are going to watch me grow my hair from this to how is it. All right guys, thank you so much for coming back to this channel, and I hope you enjoy the content that I'm going to be putting out, and I promise you amazing content. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, support your girl.